wish to bring to your attention a serious issue that has been called to my attention here in the community of Silverdore Drive, the citizens of Glendale, in relation to the plant, NWC plant here, sewage plant here that is behind me. It is overflowing. It has been overflowing for the past, almost 2 weeks. And the agency has been reached out to, still no address. The political representative who is the the sitting councillor, Andrew Harris, and he has not even been here to see the type of situation that is happening. Now, this is health hazard in terms of what the residents here has to be tolerating. You can actually smell it for yourself. It's very high.
This has been happening a long time, right? We all have our pit. Everybody here have our pit. This is Glendale sewer, and we have to be contending with it. We need it to fix. We need them to get a new pump because we're tired of it.
People have been passing and the feces water flashing up on people. We are disgusted.
Yeah, man, we really want them to put a stop to this thing, you know, man. A long time it will go, man. If you get one machine put in the way we can, you know, stop this thing. Every minute, every minute they must spend money a fix and you know go nowhere. We tired of it, you know, man.
Yesterday, the resident told me that, and it was good that I was coming to the meeting at the KCMC, the very same committee that deals with that, and it was reported directly to the representative. It's not even a phone call. So I at least have to give them the opportunity today before I start to follow up to see if any actions are taken today.